Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix controller problems of controller not working in FC26 in your PC. It's quite easy. All you have to do is to just open your game launcher, like it could be Steam or Epic Game Launcher. Once you open your launcher, in my case I'm using Steam, so I have to open Steam. Once you do that, go to library. Right here you will able to see all of your games. So we need to select the EA Sports FC26, which you can see here. Just select the game. Once you do that, here you're gonna see the little icon of controller. Click on that. Then here you're gonna see the option like this, either enable Steam input or disable Steam input. Whatever it is, just click on that and restart your game. But still, if your problem persists, you can try the second method, and in this you need to enter big picture mode by clicking on this little icon, and there you need to launch your game, cause sometimes the problem could get solved by doing this. But again, even after trying first two methods, if your problem persists, the third and last option you can try is to just connect the wired controller instead of wireless, cause that way the connectivity issue completely get ruled out. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.